Hi guys, my name is Cedril Corrales,
And I am Merwin Generoso.
and today we'll be showing you Trip Genie. It's a personalized travel assistant powered by AI that helps you plan your trips easily. So let's dive in and get started. Okay, so what exactly is Trip Genie? It's your very own AI travel assistant that's designed to make planning trips super easy. Trip Genie listens to your preferences, like the type of scenery, the activities you want to do, and your budget, and then it suggests the perfect destinations based on that. Simple lang, right? Now, what's the purpose of Trip Genie? It's pretty simple. It's all about personalization. Instead of just giving you a random list of places, Trip Genie gives you suggestions based on what you actually want. No more wasted time scrolling through endless options that don't fit your vibe. It's tailored just for you. How does it actually work? First, you take a quick assessment. 'Di ba parang quiz lang? You'll answer questions like, what kind of scenery do you like? What activities do you want to do? What's your budget? Then, TripGenie processes that data and gives you recommendations based on your answers. Super easy, right? Mamaya makikita nyo po sa demo video namin ang app. So now, let's see how it works in action. Let's say you're looking for a budget-friendly beach trip. Trip Genie will suggest beaches that match your budget and activity preferences. It's not just random places. If you want hiking, Trip Genie will give you hiking spots. If you want a chill trip, it will suggest places like beaches or nature spots where you can relax. What's really cool about Trip Genie is that it doesn't just throw random suggestions. It's super personalized based on your answers. For example, if you said you like beach vibes but need something on a budget, it will suggest Siargao or other similar places that are perfect for your needs. So every recommendation feels like it's just made for you, not everyone else.
So, how does the AI know what to recommend? We'll use we'll uses generative AI. That's the same tech behind Google Gemini 2.0. The cool thing is that Trip Genie takes your preferences and turns them into travel suggestions in real time. You're not just talking to a random chatbot. You're talking to an AI that gets you. Now for our demo of our Trip Genie,
This is the splash screen when the user open the app. Then Trip Genie will ask the user nickname. Just type your nickname, then confirm. After that, there'll be 5 assessment questions, like, what type of scenery do you prefer? What kind of vibe are you looking for when you travel? Who do you usually travel with? What's your ideal budget range? And lastly, what activity do you enjoy the most during trips? It will now navigate to Trip Genie chatbot. Let's try asking some questions about planning a trip and ask what is the perfect place. As you can see, TripGenie response is natural and it asks the user more details about the place the user want, since the user question is too generic. Now, as the user will now give more details about the place the user want to go. TripGenie clarify again on what does the user wants. It suggests some destination category for the user to choose. And now, the user tells some activities he want to do on his trip. After some conversation, TripGenie will recommend some actual destination that the user really want.
building Trip Genie wasn't all smooth sailing. One of the biggest challenges was making sure the AI gave accurate recommendation that really fit the user's vibe. You know, it's tricky to get the balance right between providing personalized suggestions and keeping it fun. But after a lot of testing, we got it right. Through this project, I learned a lot about how to make chatbots to sound natural. We also learned a lot about AI integration, like how to make sure Drip Genie doesn't just throw random suggestions, but actually gives you what you really want. Most importantly, I realized how important personalization is to make the whole experience better for the user. So to wrap it up, Trip Genie is the perfect travel buddy for anyone who wants personalized recommendations. Whether you're planning a solo trip or a group adventure, Trip Genie makes it easy to find the perfect destinations for you. So what are you waiting for? Try it out and start planning your next trip with Trip Genie. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Trip Genie.